Take off the OEMs, again, just screwdriver, pop out the lens, take out your bulb, double check, 2 contact points, defines it as an 1157. Now these being our halos, they're gonna do a white running light, and then they're gonna do a amber turn signal. Okay, jump to the other side, remove the OEM cap, OEM bulb, 1157, that's good, 1157. All right, we can go ahead and turn it on, make sure everything functions good, looks good. Yeah, so those are gonna be our running lights. Nice halo color to them. And we'll go ahead and check the blinker. As always, our lights are backed by a lifetime guarantee, so head on over to hogworks.com and check them out.